Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stay.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below, turning on your post notifications, and hashtagging Reesie Gang down in the comment section below. I have another video. It's going to be how to take vacation photos. So I have like a whole plan for you guys. I have a lot of tips and tricks that you might have never heard of. So I'm putting you guys on game to take beautiful vacation photo shoots without A, bothering anybody, B, taking away from the experience of your vacation, and C, to take photos off of your own iPhone, because all these photos I took, as you can see right here, I took solely on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So if you guys are interested in how I take my vacation photos, any tips and tricks to better your photography, then keep on watching. Bye. So you guys, when you are planning your vacation, I currently went to Miami, Florida in South Beach, and we booked the trip, flights, all that. And then during the itinerary process, I decided to create a mood board first. So when you're in the process of creating your itinerary, you should go on Pinterest. You can definitely follow me on Pinterest, lovereesie_, where I plan a lot of my mood boards on my Instagram feed to create that aesthetically pleasing photos, as you can say. So check out my Pinterest. I did create 2 boards, one for vacation poses, the other is for fashion purposes, like how I'm going to dress. Step 2 is locations. So for my location, I definitely do not like taking photos in public whatsoever. Even after years of being a content creator, I still do not feel good about taking photos in public. If I have to, I will, but I personally, like the bomb photos you guys see is basically when nobody was around. Like that's when I'm in my full element. So I definitely took majority of my photos on the balcony. I did stay at the Meridian. I have it linked on the screen for the hotel we stayed at. It was a beautiful hotel. We looked at so many videos, so many pictures of the hotel to get the gist of how my feed is going to look and the comfortability and all that. So we had a big terrace, so I took majority of my photos on the balcony with my tripod by myself. I'll definitely have a tutorial on that later on this video, but I'm just gonna keep going through the tips. Number 3 is lighting / time. I don't know if you get that feeling of when you're asking someone to take a photo and they don't know how to take a photo of you, or you're giving them too much direction to where they're kind of tired of taking photos of you. Get yourself a tripod and a self timer clicker, just one or the other. I only use my tripod and I use my iPhone camera, and I use the 3 or 10-second timer. I did it myself. Majority of the photos you've seen I took by myself. My boyfriend did help me on some of the photos, which were the photos that were in public, but I'll get more into information about public photos, but this is with my tripod. So I highly recommend waking up early in the morning. I don't care if you were partying last night and just can't get up. The sooner the better. The lighting is perfect at around 7 to 9 o'clock in the morning. Anywhere you are, when the sun is rising at an angle, that's where you're supposed to be taking your photos. And that's how I got those perfect shots using only my iPhone. I hooked it up to my tripod and used my self timer, and boom, I had the perfect shots always. So I always take my vacation photos in the morning. You can go in your hotel lobby to take photos. That's when a lot of people are still asleep, so you can feel more comfortable taking photos. A lot of people aren't on the beach. A lot of people aren't outside early in the morning, like around 7 to 9 o'clock. You'll see a few people, but you won't see so much busyness where people are like yelling and catcalling you, all that. So definitely focus in the morning to take your vacation photos. So where So when after 9 o'clock hits, you are done taking photos in general. You can maybe take a shower or something if you're sweaty or whatever, and just enjoy the rest of your day. You don't even have to think about taking outfit photos at all. You're able to experience your vacation without always having to have your camera around taking photos. So that is a great number tip that I personally apply to my content creation in general. Even when I'm at home, I try to take photos early in the morning, get it out the way for the day so I can enjoy my life. Okay, so this is, I think, number 4. I think I'm on 4. I think I lost counts. But number 4 is locations. So if you are trying to take photos in a public location, we went to Versace Mansion where it was outside and it was very cloudy, so it was kind of easier to take photos. A lot of people are out and watching you. Sometimes you gotta boss up and be like, let's just take photos. I personally like restaurant photos. When I'm at the table with my cute little drink, I always do that type of content for my restaurant photos. I don't necessarily like taking full body photos for restaurants because I just get anxiety. My body language is off. The photos aren't coming out as I like it. So definitely I'm more comfortable when I'm at the table. I rest my hands on my face and create triangles with your body, and it'll be more pleasing to the eye on your Instagram feed and your vacation photos. So yeah, that is my tip for number 4. I think that's basically it for the tips that I've learned in taking vacation photos. Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how I take photos just plain on my iPhone, because my camera that I brought here to take photos with, like professional photos, is so humid out here that I didn't buy like a fog lens for my camera. So all these photos are taken off of my iPhone 11, so anybody can do this. So I'm gonna show you the items that I use and then how I set up my tripod and all that. And yeah, we're gonna get started. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a black bikini and just this oversized hat because we're going to Nikki Beach. That's where I want majority of my pictures. I'm gonna try to film that as well, how to film photos in public. But I'm the type of person who does not like taking photos in public. I just like to wake up hella early, take photos around my area where there's nobody, if like there's no people around, so I feel more confident and just more free to, you know, just have that aesthetic. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna show you guys. This is the tripod. So we're gonna go outside in this beautiful patio. So yeah, so this is my tripod right here. I got it off of Amazon a long time ago. They have smaller ones, but this one is just, you know, super basic, and it comes with a nice little cover. So we're gonna set this up. So as you can see, it has 3 different levels. Me personally, I only do on level 2 because I like a lot of my photos coming upwards because it just looks better. So I'm gonna get my phone and be right back. Alright, so I have my phone. I don't use any specific app. I just use my regular schmegular iPhone camera. I'm not advanced where I can take photos behind the lens, which is way better to take photos behind the lens. So I do front facing. So I'm gonna screen record right now. And so here I just like to use regular photo app and let it face me so you guys see me. And so here I am just going to connect this phone this way. It's super easy, follow directions. I'm just gonna twist it so it can lock and then turn it because of course we like it this way. I like using regular photo. I do not like using portrait mode. The sun is sunning right now. this background. I'm trying to think of different backgrounds because I took so many photos. So I'm gonna set it up. I always try to look for shaded areas because that's where the pictures is gonna hit the most. So I'm gonna put you down here. And up. And I just scroll up. Do 3 seconds usually. I like to go down a little bit more.
Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time.
So once you are finished taking photos, I like to favor the ones that I like the most and delete the ones that I do not like so I don't get confused. I open up my Lightroom app and upload my favorite photos to the Lightroom app. Try using the select mode so it can be easier uploading all of your photos. So now that we have them uploaded, I use my presets that I already made. If you're interested in the preset that I am using today and that is being used on my Instagram feed currently, it's called Hazel. It is linked in my website for sale if you guys are interested in a premium preset. So what I like to do is add the preset, add a little bit more grain because I like my photos grainy for some reason, and then I just paste all the effects to all the photos so you don't have to keep adjusting your basically filters or your adjustments to every single photo. You could just copy and paste your presets to all of the photos, and that's basically it. So once I'm finished editing my photos, I like to open up my app PLANOLY. This does cost, but I definitely love it. I have no issues with this app whatsoever. This is where I plan my Instagram feed out. If you're interested in how I plan my feed and create content, check out my other video. I go into depth with this app. So I just upload the photos that I just took, rearrange them, see how I like it, and then I like to add some filler photos to my feed so I could use it as my reels or any other information I like to share with you guys on my Instagram. But yeah, if you want to know more information about how to take filler photos, let me know down below. I took so many in Miami just in case to add the whole island vibe aesthetic on my feed. I'll show you guys how it looks as a result with using filler photos and the photos I took on my vacation. So this is basically the results. Alright you guys, that is basically it. That's how I personally take my vacation photos and just photos in general. I hope these tips helped you and you get your aesthetically pleasing vacation photos and enjoying your vacation at the same time. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye!